Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade. I'm coming at you with the card share video, and I wanted to share with you some cards that I made with a new paper pad that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. And this is the paper pad. It was really marked down on the big clearance that they had. Can't remember how much it was. I always take those orange stickers off because they kind of drive me crazy. But anyway, it's this fabric floral paper pad by the Paper Studio. It's 60 sheets. It is single-sided, and it's really some interesting papers in here. I'm going to try to share some of them with you. So it has kind of like, when you look at it, it has like a texture design, like it's maybe fabric, like it says, or maybe kind of reminds me of wallpaper. And so it's just some really pretty florals that I was really attracted to, and I thought would make some really pretty cards. So these are the colors, and as you can see, there's a lot to choose from. Some that are kind of like one color, like this purple, and then you have those that are just multiple colors, especially like this one. So let me show you what I used also along with this paper pad. I used some Spellbinders Fashion Oysters. This is the self-adhesive embellishments. And then I also used these black Fashion Jet is called embellishments from Spellbinders. I used some embellishments for the Paper Studio, these adhesive gems, and I thought they were really pretty. I know I may not even go as far as this size down here, but I'll use all those above. I used this super cute little stamp set from Altenew. I used the hearts. It's called One Friend. And this cute little stamp set, it's called Sending You. And I think this is from maybe the Stamp Market, maybe? I'm not sure. And this little honeybee set that I purchased not too long ago. If you've watched my videos, you've seen that I really like this one. Even though it has only 4 sentiments, this is super cute. It's called Big Bold Birthday, and I do have the matching die set. And then another one of my favorites, it's this is Waffle Flower, and it's Big Birthday Wishes, sorry, Birthday Wishes, and it has the coordinating die set. And then for the Spellbinders, I used this cute little die set, these ovals, and I believe I used the largest one here. So let me share with you the cards. So first up, we have this cute little one that I used the stamp from the Stamp Market, and the one from Altenew, the little baby one. And it's what it looks like. And I just stamped the little card, little hearts there on the bottom, and stamped directly on this paper pad, on the paper from the paper pad that I shared with you earlier. So I thought that was a super simple card, not using bells and whistles, or just using the stamp set and the paper to make the card cute. I like that one. And then this one says happy birthday, and this is where I use the gems from Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure where this sentiment comes from, this die set. I've had it for a long time. I don't think I have it anymore, but I have several of the ones that I cut out. So once again, using the same paper, I thought this turned out really cute. Use some kind of copper color paper I layered it with. And then next up is this super sweet one. And this is where I use one of the smaller dies from the Spellbinders die set. And then the happy birthday. Now, one of the things that I really don't like is that I noticed that my paper that I use for sentiments is not as white as I want it to be, especially when I use the other paper, white paper I have. There's a big difference, and I'm gonna have to check that out. I'm gonna have to find some whiter paper to use for my sentiment stamping and die set. And maybe if I bring it closer, you can tell that just, I don't know, bothers me that it's kind of a dingy white, the way it looks, especially against the white circle. And then last but not least, here's this cute little one. Like I said, these are very simple, and I'm using the paper just to kind of, you know, make the card, and just a couple of gems, and there you go. So here's what I have to share with you today. Hope you enjoy seeing these cards that I've made. Like I said, sometimes I get into this whole thing about simple cards, not having a lot of things on them, easy to mail. And then other times, you know, I'm layering and die cutting like crazy. So that's my video for today. And once again, it features a page from this really pretty Paper Studio 12 by 12 cardstock. It's called Fabric Florals from Hobby Lobby. So let me know what you think of the cards below, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.